No time? Learn English anyway. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Are you too busy to learn English? Work, school, family, and other responsibilities can make it feel impossible to find time for English. But what if I told you that you don't need extra time to improve your English? You can fit learning into your daily life without changing your schedule. In this video, I'll share practical strategies to help you learn English even if you have no free time. Use small moments wisely. Many people think they need long study sessions to improve their English. But the truth is, small, consistent efforts make a big difference. Use short moments in your day. While commuting, listen to an English podcast or audiobook while driving or on public transport. While doing chores, play an English video or conversation practice while cooking, cleaning, or exercising. Before bed, read or listen to a short English article, even if it's just 5 minutes. During breaks, instead of scrolling on social media in your native language, watch an English video or read an English post. These little moments add up and help you stay connected to English daily. Think in English. You don't need extra time to think. Start training your brain to think in English throughout the day. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I need to buy groceries. Ask yourself questions in English and answer them. Try to explain your thoughts in English, even if you're alone. Thinking in English removes the habit of translating and makes speaking faster and more natural. Turn your phone into a learning tool. Your phone can be your best English teacher. Make these simple changes. Change your phone's language to English. Follow English-speaking accounts on social media. Join English learning communities and interact with posts. Use language apps for quick 5-minute practice sessions. These small adjustments keep English in your daily routine without extra effort. Practice speaking without a partner. Many learners think they need a speaking partner to improve. But you can practice speaking alone. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately. Recording yourself. Speak about your day and listen to improve pronunciation. Talking to yourself. Pretend to have a conversation or explain something out loud. Speaking regularly, even alone, builds confidence and fluency over time. Learn through what you already do. You don't have to add new activities to your day. Instead, replace things you already do with English versions. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles or in English audio. Listen to English versions of songs or news you enjoy. Read English books, blogs, or articles on topics you love. This way, learning English doesn't feel like extra work. It becomes part of your lifestyle. Set micro goals. If you feel overwhelmed, set small, realistic goals. Learn one new word per day. Listen to one short English video every morning. Speak out loud for 2 minutes before bed. Small goals keep you motivated and ensure you're making progress without pressure. Combine English with physical activities. If you enjoy exercising or taking walks, make it an English learning session. Listen to English podcasts while jogging or walking. Repeat new words as you do exercises. Describe your workout routine in English. Pairing physical activities with language learning helps reinforce what you hear and makes learning more engaging. Use sticky notes to build vocabulary. A quick way to boost vocabulary is by placing sticky notes with English words around your home or workplace. Label objects like mirror. Look at yourself and say a positive English sentence. Door. Before leaving, say a phrase like, I'm going to work now. Fridge. Practice food-related vocabulary. Seeing and using these words daily will make them stick in your memory. Make learning fun and enjoyable. Learning should not feel like a chore. Try to make it enjoyable. Play English games like word puzzles or trivia. Sing along to English songs to improve pronunciation. Join online English challenges to stay motivated. When learning is fun, you'll naturally want to do it more often. Final thoughts. No matter how busy you are, there's always a way to fit English into your life. The key is consistency. You don't need hours of study time. Just a few minutes each day will make a difference. Use the time you already have, make English part of your daily activities, and most importantly, enjoy the process. How do you practice English when you're busy? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video.